Welcome to our tutorial on how to view people who have poked you on Facebook. If you're curious about who has poked you on the popular social media platform, follow these simple steps to find out. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Tap the search icon located in the top right corner of the app. This will allow you to search for specific features or pages on Facebook. Step 3. In the search field, type in pokes and press enter. This will bring up search results related to pokes on Facebook. Step 4. From the search results, choose the pokes option. This will direct you to the dedicated pokes page on Facebook. Step 5. On the pokes page, you will be able to see a list of people who have poked you. You can now easily view and keep track of who has interacted with you in this way on Facebook. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and keep track of people who have poked you on Facebook. Thank you for watching and happy poking.